of course, it's filled with another project. And it's kind of related to these LED lights. So this is my Christmas light project, and these are my new 10 millimeter spaced LEDs. But I found that, and I want to use it as troubleshooting as well for that. So what I've wired is I've got this AP8C connector is connected to, I installed 2 limit switches for this foot. And right now they're just going to be enables. I've got the AP8C connector to the foot drive, and then I have an AP8C connector coming from here to this dual H bridge here for that will be ankle and one of the 2 body functions. I got these couplers, fuses, battery packs, converters, batteries, breakout, and mega, and transceiver. So this is S-Bus plus PPM. I think it's called PPM. S-Bus, PPM. MIDI hat on a Mega 2560. All of those 8P8C connectors. So the sky and the sun, sky and the sun, sky and the sun. That's connected. All the greens are bussed together, and all the browns are brown makes you go to town. So here you got brown to 5 volts. Then I have a 5-volt supply. So this gives 5 volts to the Mega, to all of those connection points. The transceiver, and that's just any, you can put 24 volts in, AC, DC. And then the breakout cables. Whew. Fair bit of wiring kind of accomplished. How I'm going to stick it in there, that's easy. That's not a lot of wire. Ground point, I just have it out right now, so it's a common ground. Everything's bussed. So, still quite a bit of work to do.